Welcome back. Good morning. Let's start today with an overall market sentiment. First of all, the tone is cautiously bullish with acknowledgement of volatility and macro risks. Outlook: despite worries about a major crash, black swan fears, current technicals in stocks and crypto remain supportive of continuation in the uptrend. S&P 500/US 500 stocks. Hidden bullish divergence spotted on the 4-hour chart. Key levels: support zone 5,660, bottom of the box. Resistance zone 5,759, top of the box. Golden cross, exponential moving averages, and weekly 20 moving average aligning within key support/resistance range. Bitcoin BTC, new all-time high reached, approximately $111,000. Pullback plus recovery. Pulled back with stocks, but bounced overnight, maintaining momentum. Weekly indicators: money flow index, MFI at 56, healthy. RSI, bearish divergence, now invalidated. Technical support: pump signal confirmed from $94,000. No current signs of weakness on the 4-hourly chart. Sentiment: momentum is strong, but stay cautious. Take profits when appropriate. Ethereum ETH, key resistance levels: $2,700, then $2,800, then $3,100, and finally $4,000. Technical outlook: holding 20 moving average and 21 exponential moving average on the weekly. No bearish divergence on weekly. The 200 simple moving average at $2,700 must be broken to see further gains. Target: if momentum continues, Ethereum could aim for $3,400 to $4,000 range. Bitcoin dominance. Trend: bullish on all time frames. Warning: bearish divergence forming on 4-hourly, possibly brewing on weekly. Implication: could signal upcoming altcoin season, but not quite there yet. XRP, current price area, holding approximately $2.35. Resistance: must break $2.50 for significant upside. Breakout potential: could trigger rapid move to new all-time highs. Would likely bring correlated tokens like XLM, Algorand, and Hedera with it. If weekly close above $2.50, then we get a major bullish signal. Final thoughts: stocks and crypto rebounded after a rough session. Bitcoin and Ethereum show continuation patterns. Altcoins like XRP are nearing breakout levels, but need confirmation. Be realistic. Many retail traders are still absent due to broader economic pressures. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment. Number 10, Litecoin, current price $98.93. Market cap $7.51 billion. Litecoin offers faster transaction times and lower fees compared to Bitcoin, making it a practical alternative for everyday transactions. Number 9, Dogecoin, current price 24 cents. Market cap $36.01 billion. Initially started as a meme, Dogecoin has maintained popularity and is often used for tipping and charitable donations. Number 8, Polkadot, current price $4.90. Market cap $7.75 billion. Polkadot enables interoperability between different blockchains, positioning itself as a key player in the multi-chain future. Number 7, Cardano, current price $0.802. Market cap $28.36 billion. Cardano focuses on scalability and sustainability, with ongoing developments aimed at enhancing its smart contract capabilities. Number 6, Solana, current price $179.30. Market cap $93.5 billion. Known for its high-speed transactions and low fees, Solana continues to be a strong contender in the smart contract platform space. Number 5. Binance Coin. Current price, $684.60. Market cap, $96.5 billion. Binance Coin, or BNB, remains integral to the Binance ecosystem, supporting various services in the Binance Smart Chain, which powers numerous decentralized applications. Number 4. Ethereum. Current price, $2,662.20. Market cap, $322 billion. Ethereum continues to be a leading platform for decentralized applications, with ongoing upgrades enhancing scalability and user experience. Number 3. Bitcoin. Current price, $110,620. Market cap, $2.2 trillion. Bitcoin has reached an all-time high, driven by growing optimism around U.S. cryptocurrency regulation and increased institutional interest. Number 2. XRP. Current price, $2.43. Market cap, $142.7 billion. XRP is gaining traction due to its utility in facilitating fast international money transfers, and as discussed in this video, XRP is heading towards its new all-time high. And number 1. Algorand. Current price, $0.239. Market cap, $2.1 billion. A coin associated with XRP and probably higher potential. It is more than 10x away from its all-time high, and it is fully possible that it will reach it or even go beyond it this year. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Trade safe and enjoy the ride.